Last year, we teamed up with our homie Big D Wiz from Williston Audio Labs to test the massive Audiopipe APDLO-3001D, and it didn't disappoint. With his amp dyno at 4 ohms, we got 1,897 watts RMS, and at 2 ohms, we got 3,049 watts RMS. The only downside to that amplifier is that it's not stable at 1 ohm. However, it's been updated. And that was a main feature that Audiopipe focused on changing. Say hello to the Audiopipe APDLO-3001D, a 1 ohm, 2 ohm, and 4 ohm stable 3,000 watt RMS monoblock amplifier. Inside the box is an instruction manual, remote bass control, fuse and fuse holder, and 3,000 watt amplifier. This Class D is intended for hard-hitting sound and designed for compatibility with 16-volt electrical systems. For outputs, the amplifier does 3,000 watts RMS at 1 ohm, 2,178 watts RMS at 2 ohms, and 1,444 watts RMS at 4 ohms. I love how Audiopipe doesn't multiply their specs by a factor of 4 then round up to the highest variable when giving specs. The amount of times we've tested a 500 watt rated amplifier and gotten 82 watts RMS would blow your mind. Dimensions of the amplifier are 27.9 inches in length, 7 inches in depth, and 2.2 inches in height. Despite the amplifier's length, its shallow depth makes it easy to install in a truck or SUV and fits perfectly under the back seats with room to spare. Sedans will probably have to stick to the trunk. Audiopipe also changed up the vent fins by giving them a more hexagonal shape with hardened corners, which run along each side of the top plate to ensure outstanding heat dissipation. For adjustment, you get gain control, low-pass filter, subsonic filter, and bass boost. Use the single pair of low-level RCA inputs to connect the amplifier to your source. We highly recommend 1/0 gauge wire for power and ground connections, which is obvious from the large power and speaker terminals. The amplifier comes with a remote bass control designed to be installed up front and plugs into the amplifier's remote jack. It also includes a fuse and fuse holder to mount at the battery. To prevent damage to your gear, the Audiopipe features Power and Protect LED indicators, plus has 4 protection modes: thermal, short circuit, overload, and under voltage. Be sure to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today at qualitymobilevideo.com. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button, but if you hated it, click the dislike button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.